Good morning, Mark Soderberg with a quick recap of today's USDA WASDE summary. I think on the surface you'd find today's data mostly neutral, perhaps a touch friendly for both corn and soybeans, but neutral to bearish for the wheat. Let's start off in the corn here. Ending stocks were left unchanged at 1.54 billion bushels. We thought we might see a little bit of an increase in both ethanol and exports. USDA made absolutely no changes, kicking that can down the road here for at least another month, perhaps just to see how some of these tariff situations work out, particularly with Mexico. Globally, however, ending stocks did drop just over 1 million metric tons to 289 million metric tons. So I think that might give it a little bit of a supportive tilt to it. Corn exports out of Brazil, they were cut 2 million metric tons as we continue to see a shift away from their exports into the domestic usage side, that for corn-based ethanol. But that was offset by a 2 million metric ton drop to Chinese imports, which are now down to only 8 million metric tons. On the soybean side, similar story, ending stocks unchanged at 380 million bushels in line with our thinking. There was just some minor tweaking between residual and seed usage, but then those did offset one another. Ending stocks globally did come in down 3 million metric tons to 121.4, largely due to a 2 million metric ton increase in Chinese crush. So as a result, ending stocks were at the low end of expectations. We are seeing soybean futures trading about 2 to 3 better. We saw absolutely no changes to corn or soybean production in South America. Those were left unchanged. On the wheat, ending stocks there did jump 25 million bushels to 819 million. That was at the high end of the range of estimates. That came about as a result of a 15 million bushel cut to the exports, while imports were raised 10 million bushels. Global stocks, they came in at just over 260 million metric tons. That was up about 2.5 from last month and at the high end of the range of guesses. We did see a little bit of an increase on Australian wheat. That was up 2.1 to 34.1 million metric tons. Some of that found a home and via exports that was raised 1 million metric tons. That was partially offset by a 500,000 metric ton drop to the Russian wheat exports. So very little changed here since the data came out. Corn did pull back a little bit, still about a penny better. Beans, like I mentioned, 2 to 3 better. Wheat is backing up about 5 to 8 cents. So going back to what we've been trading, tariffs, usage figures, and of course we have the all-important stocks and acreage report here at the end of March. Thanks for listening, everyone. Hope you have a great day.